Calibrating frame stuttering in CS2 can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring smoother gameplay. Follow these steps to address and minimize stuttering issues. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for CS2. This includes having a compatible graphics card, sufficient RAM, and a fast processor. Step 2. Update drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date can significantly improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower graphic settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable background applications, set your power plan to high performance, and ensure that game mode is enabled to prioritize gaming resources. Step 5. Monitor performance. Use performance monitoring tools to track your frame rates and system usage while playing. This can help identify any specific issues causing stuttering and allow you to make further adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate and reduce frame stuttering in CS2, leading to a more enjoyable gaming experience.